Hello everyone. The Senzo murder trial continued on Monday morning, and there was a delay because of the King Misizulu's case that is also being held at the Pretoria High Court. So there was traffic, lots of supporters of the Zulu King flooded the premises, hence the access of the building was a problem. Advocate Adv Ramosepele, who is representing accused number 1 and 2, introduced a new lawyer, Mr. Zulu, and said he's part of their team and will be dealing with the evidence of the confession statements, and he'll be taking over the case. Mr. Zulu then told the court that he's ready to continue starting from tomorrow and asked the court to allow him to consult with the two accused, which is accused number 1 and accused 2. The state prosecutor, Judge Baloyi, told the court that they will continue tomorrow to bring their witnesses. Judge Ratamokhatling also told the court that the court will proceed in absence of Advocate Mnisi, but he will be provided with the evidence that is led from Monday and is captured in record and will be made available to him so that he can consult with his client, accused number 3, Mr. Mncube, because he doesn't want Mr. Mncube to suffer any prejudice, and Mr. Mnisi has a right to cross-examine witnesses should he wish to do so. The matter was postponed for Tuesday, 17 October 2023.
Because number 1 and number 2.
What's your take on this one, people? Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.